Hi everyone, Gina here. This is a video on how to hang your framed canvas on your wall. This is a framed canvas from my lab. The frame is made from hardwood and not pine, and therefore this is quite heavy. The lab has recommended that we hang the canvas on these two hooks rather than a string across the back. This is so that we can distribute the weight evenly between these two hooks, and it also helps the canvas to sit flat on your wall. The tools we need to hang the canvas are picture hooks. These are from Bunnings, a tape measure, a pencil and a hammer. The first thing you have to decide on is how high you want the canvas. Alright, a bit higher please. Higher, higher, too high, lower, lower, slowly, slowly, low, stop. Higher, tiny bit more. Okay, that's where I want it. Then you measure from the floor to the bottom of the canvas to see where it is. That's at 1040. The next step is to measure from the bottom of your canvas to the top of your ring. Make sure that your ring is flipped up. In this case, the measurement is 750 millimeters. Then we add 1040 millimeters, which is the measurement from floor to the bottom of our canvas, to 750 millimeters, which is the measurement from the hook to the bottom of the canvas, and that gives us 1790 millimeters. So my hook is going to be at 1790, which is about this high. Now we're going to find the center of your wall and put a mark roughly where that height is. 1070, which means my mark is at 535. Then we measure the distance from the center of the hook to the center of the hook, which is 580. So 580 divided by 2 is 290. So we want to go from the center out 290 on each side and put a little mark there. 290. You also should check that the two marks add up to 580. The next thing to do is to measure from the floor up to your mark on the other side. The number we're looking for is 1790, and you put a little cross at that point. And now you do the same on the other side. Line the bottom of your hook up with the center of the cross. Put your nail in. Then we do the same on the other side. Now we flick the rings out and we're ready to put this on the wall. And now we're done.